If you're experiencing login issues with the Community Bank system, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and attempt to log in again. Step 4. Reset your password. If you still cannot log in, try resetting your password. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login page and follow the prompts to create a new password. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Community Bank's customer support. They can provide assistance and help resolve any technical issues you may be facing. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.